Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and for today's video we're going to be doing something that was trendy a few months ago, but you know what? Better late than never. So today I'm going to be showing you everything that I bought during quarantine. So this is everything that I got since March, so I guess keep that in mind. It's kind of been a while, but at this point I was like, it's almost August. I really cannot keep putting off this video. Anyway, we have some clothes, we have books, we have miscellaneous items. So yeah, I guess let's just hop right into the video. I'm trying to decide what I want to show first. I think I'll show the thing that I'm most excited for. Probably one of the coolest things that I've ever bought for myself. You'll see. So I got the one and only Canon G7X Mark II. If you are anywhere near the YouTube vlogging world, you know everyone uses this camera to vlog. Well, pretty much everyone uses this camera. So I was so excited to get it. It's really nice to have for like morning routine videos or any sort of video where you have to pick up your camera and take it with you. So I did get the creator kit with this camera. I bought it directly from Canon, I think, and I got their creator kit, which comes with an SD card, 2 batteries, a charger, and a little tripod. So I got all of that, and I just love this so much. It has just been so great to vlog with. I guess while we're on the topic of kind of miscellaneous things, I'll show you some books that I bought. So I bought these kind of at the beginning of quarantine. I bought this book. It's called Everything Everything. You may have seen the movie. I just bought it online, so I had no idea what it was gonna be like. It was just like recommended for you, and I was like, okay, sounds interesting, and I bought it. I finished it a while ago, watched the movie. It was okay. That's all I'll say. It's just a little like quirky teen book, so I didn't really realize that when I bought it, but you know what? It's fine because I made up for that by purchasing The Defining Decade, which is a book about your 20s. It's written by a psychologist, and it is a little bit of a harder read because you really have to focus and think, and it just makes me think a lot about my own life. So the next book I got is called A Higher Calling, and it's by Harold and Rachel Earls, and they are YouTubers. They're like family vloggers. So if you haven't heard of them, highly recommend checking them out. They're Christian. They like base a lot of their videos around like just their family and their lifestyle, and this book is about like his journey climbing Mount Everest. So, and the last book I bought was just a new devotional book because I finished my other one. This is called Always Enough, Never Too Much. Let's talk planners. So I really needed a new planner. I love planners, but I'm super picky about them. I found this one. It's really cute. It has some like flowers on it. I think I got this from Target, and it's just very basic. I don't know if you can see that, but it just has lines for each day that you can write things down and like a calendar. Very basic, but I was like, okay, I'll get it because it's really all that they have left. And then a few weeks later, I was at Meijer and I found the best planner I've ever seen in my life. I talked about this more in detail in one of my vlogs. I think I did. I'll link it in the corners if you want to go check it out. But I realized you cannot see that at all, but it's basically just laid out differently so that you have space to write things like your priorities, any sort of notes or list. Highly recommend. This is by TF Publishing, so you can find them on Instagram. I think they're like a smaller company and they're based in Indiana, which is really cool. But like I said, I found this at Meijer. So more miscellaneous things. So Bath and Body Works was having a sale, so I went there and I bought, I don't really know why I bought this, but I just wanted it. This smells so good. This is Soak in the Sun, their fragrance mist. I have not had one of these like fragrance mist things since middle school. Please tell me someone else like relates to what I'm thinking, because it just reminds me of middle school gym class, like, and it makes me cringe. But anyway, it smells good, so I bought it and it was on sale. This could be one of those things that's like TikTok made me buy it because I saw this on TikTok, looked it up on Ulta and bought it. This is a body scrub. It's from Soap and Glory. It smells really good, and I just saw people like raging over this on TikTok, and I was like, all right, you've convinced me, and I bought it, and I can't remember the last time I had like a body scrub, and it's honestly a game changer. So our last miscellaneous thing before we move on to clothes, I bought this cup. It's so cute. It's gold glitter, and I don't know if you can tell kind of by my surroundings, but I love gold, so I just had to buy this. I've been loving like drinking out of cups like this. I feel like it makes me drink more water. I don't know why, it's just if it's in a fancy cup, I'm just more inclined to stay hydrated. So, okay, now we can move on to clothes, and I'm just going to start off, again, we're just going to start off with a bang. This is so cute, and I looked forever to find something like this. I found it from Princess Polly. It is a skirt. It's this cheetah print skirt. It has like a slit on the side right here. If anyone is in the Indy area and wants to go on a photo shoot, I have my outfit picked out, okay? Like, I'm ready to go. I bought this shirt to go with that skirt. It's just this black kind of crop top. It's from Forever 21, and I just thought it would look super cute with that skirt. So again, let's go on a photo shoot because that just is such a cute outfit. The next thing I got is from Marshall's, and this is a like really sheer see-through sunflower top. I thought it'd be really cute to wear like a bandeau under it, just like a black bandeau. I don't know. I just think it's really cute. I love sunflowers, so. Also from Marshall's, this is so basic, but these are the types of clothes that I live in on a day-to-day basis. Like if I'm working or doing homework or whatever, this is what I'll be wearing. And it's just this like green, navy green, army green maybe? I don't know. So these next pair of pants, I bought these in April I think, and it took almost a month for my order to get here. But I just think that these will be really cute for the fall time and just kind of like to hang out in. These are some like green joggers. They're kind of like cargo pants. They like look like that, I feel like, but they're just joggers, and I just think they're really cute. I feel like it'd be cute with like sneakers and like a black bandeau. Super like Instagram model kind of. That's the vibes that I get from that. Not that I'm an Instagram model, but that's just the kind of vibes that I get from these pants. And not to mention, they're just super comfy. So, okay, let's move on to Rue 21. So I always find such good deals at Rue 21, which is so surprising. I never thought that I would like their stuff, but they have such good deals. It's crazy. So I got this tube top. It's like a white ruche. What is that? I don't know what that's called, but it's just, it has this fancy, like, stretchy, elastic material. And I just think it was cute for summer. I unfortunately haven't worn it yet because, well, we're in a pandemic and I don't really go anywhere to wear stuff that's cute. Also from Rue 21, this is $3. See what I mean when I say like they have good deals. This was only $3. It's a snakeskin top. It has a like cutout at the top right here. And then it kind of has this, not turtleneck, but just kind of like a high neck. This is so cute. Again, haven't worn it, haven't been anywhere to wear it, so yeah. It was $3. How could I pass it up? Also from Rue 21, I got this green dress. I am sensing a theme. Why am I into this color? I just, for some reason, am into this green color lately. I don't know why. But I don't remember how much this was. I think it might have been around $10. Just a very, like, casual, really comfy dress. You can like adjust the straps too, which is really nice. I just thought it'd be cute to wear, possibly take some pictures in. I don't know. This was like $5 from Rue 21. It's just this pink tank top and it has a little embroidered butterfly on it. Super cute, super perfect for summer, and I just love it. I love anything with butterflies on it now still. What is my style? Sometimes I don't understand my style because I just showed you a snakeskin like cutout top, and then I also picked up a pink butterfly tank top. Like, these just do not speak the same person, but here we are. I don't know. Again with the green top. This is like the exact same. I don't know what's wrong with me. This was $2.50, so it was just like asking me to buy it. It was literally $2. Like, I got it from JCPenney. They just have good deals sometimes, and $2. Also from JCPenney, this was $6.30. What? I got this dress. It's kind of a fancier dress, but it's just cute and I feel like I could wear it. Like, I could wear it to a nice dinner or like maybe like an event if I'm going to something. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. It was $6. It's really hard for me to find nicer dresses that fit, so I figured if it's really not that expensive, I might as well just buy it. So it's like this burgundy color. So that is everything that I bought in quarantine. I know it seems like a lot, and honestly it is a lot, but I've just been going through it. This has been a tough time for everyone, and this is everything that I bought since literally March. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos, more vlogs with my handy Canon G7X. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye, guys. Random videos. It's really nice to have it to do for, I use these pages to write, I use these pages, wow. That sound brings me back to the locker rooms after 7th grade gym. Please tell me someone else knows what I'm talking about because I just can't with that, okay?